So today we will be playing Minecraft with my friends, so let's start. Okay. So today we are playing Minecraft with my friend. I already said that, so I should stop yapping and just get to the point of the video. So let's start in. So I'm going to join my friend's world, and then we will see what's in it. Well, me and my friend both built this world together. So yeah. So let's build. Okay. Gordon. Dang it. Recording. So, let me show you around. This is our old house. Oh yeah, we also got stuff from the trial chambers, as you can see. Wait, I want to see if I can build an anvil real quick. Dang. Dang! Wait, how do you even... Anvil... Oh, I need iron blocks. One, two, three. And... Yes, I can make cords. Just made an anvil. Okay, so I will show you the most craziest part of all. Be ready to be blown. Oh yeah, and I also have diamond. Why is my skin like that? We do not care however my skin is. We should just... Oh yeah, and I'm also bad at Minecraft PvP. He always makes me play it, which makes me mad sometimes, but... Yeah, sometimes I get mad when he beats me, because he's on PC, and it's easier on PC. Then, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna mine this real quick. Ooh. Ah! Broski, get better at Minecraft. Oh, we have 2 intruders. We have 2 intruders. I spelled that so wrong. Intruders. I'm kind of sick at the moment, as you can see. Wait. Oh. Wait. Bro! Intruder. A burglar. Bro! A burglar. Never. Okay, I need to go get some steak, so I'll be right back. Okay. So I don't want you guys seeing me because the house is like quite far away, so I'm bro. Okay, he's dead. Dead. Bro, come on! Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Okay, so, oh yeah, my friend spelled my name for some reason. I just don't understand that for some reason. But I have a good idea. Do I have any left? Yes, I have left a Ryer. That's good. Come on. Okay. Wait. I'm sorry I was AFK. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay, so... Okay, so... Yes, let me get to the crafting table. Obviously, so, I was trying to watch my TV for a minute. I got too distracted by it, so... Sorry. Okay. I need a stick. Wait, did I make... Bro! Wait. Stick. Sticking out. Yeah, I almost said that. On accident. Ugh. Okay. Okay, let me get my shovel out. Bro, I keep watching my TV on accident. Okay, I'm gonna mine something out real quick. Okay, but if this road gets modified, I will yell so loud. Because this road has never been modified, and it probably never will be. Bro, stop! Stop! What are you doing? I hate him, man. I hate him, man. We're gonna hit him. Bruh. Dude, I keep watching my TV on accident. I'm sorry. Take my knockback one. Anything under the lake? Nope. Classic. Classic him being classic him. Stop. We're just trying to be cool, and he's just trying to TP. Ace Presley /2. Dude, who hit me? What do you mean? I already lived this day. I know you did. No, I didn't. Look at my application. It's clear to know. Cry in the bathroom for an hour or 5. I don't get it. I know she got into that program, so how can she facility? When you go back in time and you change what you do, you can change the course of history. One thing you do,